You know, I work with a lot of the decorative stitches, and there's so many of them on the BERNINA 570, but there's a time and place when you need to lock it, and we want to use a different locking feature than just the reverse. So there is something called backstepping in the BERNINA. Now that sounds fancy, but I've gone ahead and picked out stitch number 8 to show you what that means. So let's say I'm stitching down, and I get to where I need to be, and I touch the reverse button. Well, when I touch it, it doesn't know, well, it does know where I am, but it doesn't always put the exact same stitches on the return trip, and will kind of make that last part look a little messy. When you go into the eye for information, you have an option for backstepping, and that means that it will backstep into the exact holes of the decorative stitch you've just stitched, which means it is actually doing it exactly the way it's supposed to. So it knows where to go. So it's like it's backing up into the holes. So let me show you what this means and how it will look when you're using it. So we're going to just stitch part of the honeycomb stitch. You can see that it has kind of this forward, back, forward, back. So here is when I go to backstepping. Number one, I don't have to hold on to that button, and look as it goes right back into the exact holes. Turn that function off, and now return forward in the exact same holes. So if you ever want like a little thicker version of a stitch, you could actually go ahead and backstep into itself a little bit, and then just kind of control when it's going forward and when it's going back at any given time. So let's just see what that actually looks like and how perfect that will come out when you use that function in the eye for information area instead of just a plain old reverse. If you're loving all these functions regarding decorative stitches and so much that you can do with them, but you don't know what practical uses you would ever use them for, join us in our BERNINA Stitching Cosmos, where we actually take you step by step through lots of techniques, presser feet, decorative stitches, twin needle, couching, free motion couching, you name it. We've got lots of different things that we teach you. So check out the links below in this YouTube video where you can learn how to make the ultimate stitch book. Watch over 10 videos for free to see if this course is right for you, and then join us for a journey of a lifetime.